Hello, I'm Brian Serrano and this is my Lab 1 for Anatomy and Physiology. Today I'll be discussing these questions. Number 1, how does anatomy differ from physiology? Number 2, describe the anatomical position and why it's important. Number 3, show and explain the anatomical directional terms. Number 4, show and name the anatomical regions of the body. Number 5, why is the knowledge of the above topics important for clinical practice? So first question, how does anatomy differ from physiology? Anatomy refers to the structure of the body, and physiology refers to the study of the body's functions. Number 2, describe the anatomical position and why it's important. So anatomical position, as you can see, is a person essentially staring forward with their palms outwards or facing outwards, and feet shoulder length apart. And the reason that this position is very important is because it can help us quickly identify or differentiate left from right. So the anatomical directional terms, superior refers to something above or on top of something below. So the head is superior to the neck. Inferior refers to something below, something below another object. So the neck is actually inferior to the head. Anterior or ventral refers to something in front of or the front of the body. Posterior refers to the back of or something behind the body. Medial refers to the midline or something towards the middle of the body. Lateral refers to beside the body, anything on the sides. Internal refers to the inside of the body, basically, like internal organs. Deep can refer to anything under a certain surface, meaning like the muscle is deep in relation to the tissues or to the skin. External refers to something outside of the body. Superficial refers to the skin or going towards the outside of the body. Central refers to just the midline or the main part of the body. Peripheral refers to extending outwards from the body. Proximal is something more towards the trunk of the body. Distal is furthest away from the body. Parietal refers to the linings of the certain cavity walls. For example, like the pleural wall, that's the parietal, it's parietal. Visceral refers to the inner lining of, for example, let's say organs. There's, yeah. Okay, so number 4. Now I'm going to be naming the anatomical regions of the body. So I'm going to start with up here. This is the cranium or cranial region. This is the frontal region, nasal region, oral region, buccal region, mental region, otic region. This is the cervical region. The thoracic area or region is composed of the pectoral or mammary region. The abdominal area is actually the umbilical region. Then it goes down into the inguinal region, then the pubic region. Then we have the femoral region, the patellar region, the crural region, the tarsal region. We have sorry, let me look down a little bit. So the feet down there is the pedal region, and then we have digits. Then we have the acromial region, the axillary region. We have the brachial region, the antecubital region, the antebrachial region. Then we have the carpal region, and then digits. And in the back, we have the occipital region, again the cervical region. We have the scapular region, the dorsal region, the lumbar region, the sacral region. This is the gluteal region, femoral region, the sural region. Let me actually point the camera a little downwards. And under the sural region is the bottom of the foot is the plantar region. Okay, we can turn around. Okay, now number 5. Why is the knowledge of the above topics important for clinical practice? So the reason that it's actually very important for clinical practice is because we need to identify the different parts of the body without skipping a beat, essentially. So we have to quickly, being in the medical field, we have to quickly identify what part we are actually having to work on, because a person's life can depend on it. Think about a compass, for example. You have to know which way is north, south, east, and west. That way you can have a sense of direction of what you're looking for and where a certain part of the body that you're trying to locate is. So with all that being said, this is my lab 1. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.